Good morning. Today we're going to Kuriburi. It's a little bit further than we're used to, especially for Emil. Overall, I think it's about 180 kilometres and it should take us about 4.5 hours actual driving overall, across country and a few little roads, but mostly off country. We'll be stopping at our little coffee shop, our favourite coffee shop, for Emil's favourite fried rice and my favourite coffee.
And here's a little bit of footage of the coffee shop. Beautiful scenery and a beautiful area, and highly recommended, right by the Cranberry Dam.
Try to stay out of them, they're full of cow food.
Here we go again. I come off in the slippery mud again, as usual. This is about my 10th time.
Shit! Ah! That is slippery. Okay, but no, come. Okay, calm. Okay, not deep. It's slippery. Look at this. Okay. Yeah, you can. You just have to be careful. This is very deep. Very deep mud here. Okay. Right, hang on. Let me get on. Okay. Couple car. Whoa. That is deep slime. Let's see how well done. Well done. Huh?
I think you went a bit too slow.
Well, yeah, maybe. But you don't want to go too fast through that either. Oh my god. How did you fucking do that? Cheeky sod, done that on purpose. Make me look bad. Hey? Try to make me look bad on film.
Well, we're going crazy here trying to get back and find the drone. I cocked up completely and pressed the wrong button, and it went back to home, which it thought was a couple of kilometres from where we actually were, and the battery ran out and it landed, and we had no clue where it was. I was really panicking. It was really bad. I was freaking out. $1,200 gone. And then all of a sudden we found a lost my drone button on the controller, and amazingly it catches 15 seconds of landing footage and it leaves a GPS location, and we managed to track it down. And who found it? Emil found it. So I was so happy, and I promised him a sushi.
Oh,
You've got to be careful here.